I cannot take this Royal Enfield Himalayan to Prince Edward Island, Canada. Hey, good afternoon guys, it's Andy from Motos, and Coffee. I got some horrible news and some last minute news and some news that kind of breaks my heart. Max, my Royal Enfield Himalayan that I just got a whole bunch of work done making about 34 horsepower is now a wounded duck. I've done some torture testing, some high-speed torture testing, and I'm getting some valve float which I need to investigate. It rides fine, but at high RPM, high speed, I start getting valve float and it loses power. I'm making too much horsepower, I guess. So that being said, this is not going with me northbound to Canada. To all my Royal Enfield specific fans out there, I'm a huge Royal Enfield fan. I took Max on a big trip. You can take a look from Maryland to Montana, and I had planned this whole trip around Max and getting the engine ready and going on high speed and also single track, off-road, the whole gamut. And it looked to be going so well, but with this latest run that I did 2 runs, I started getting some valve float. So don't hate me, Royal Enfield fans. I cannot take this Royal Enfield Himalayan to Prince Edward Island, Canada. Unless maybe someone wants to donate a Royal Enfield Himalayan for my trip, or Scram 411. That being said, the trip must go on, the show must go on. I'm very fortunate. I hope you will all join me. I have a 2021 Pan America special. I've done most off-road modifications to it except for the tires. That's going to be taken care of tomorrow. I'm going to be taking this Pan America on my trip instead of my Himalayan. Please don't hate me, Royal Enfield fans. Hopefully you'll still follow along on my journey. It's a much heavier bike. It's a much faster bike, but it's going to be a lot more difficult to go on single track, so I think we're going to get a lot more adventure. I'm still going the same route. I'm still meeting my good friend Island ADV, which you got to check out his channel there. So that's the latest, greatest news. I'll give a full walk around of the mods. I'll talk about it. It's a stock engine, stock suspension. I'm going with the off-road tires that Harley Davidson has for tomorrow. They're Michelin Anarchy Wild tires. I've never ridden real off-road on it, just a little bit of fire roads, so this is going to be an adventure. So please come along with me. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Again, I apologize to my Royal Enfield fans. I welcome my Harley Davidson fans and motorcycle fans to come with me on this journey, so let's go northbound.